Welcome to the world of pallets and lids manufacturing. They are an integral part of the plastic sleeve pack box, along with the PP sleeve sheets. Let's begin with blow molding. The molten plastic is injected into a mold, and then expanded by compressed air. As the plastic cools and solidifies, it takes the shape of the mold, forming the desired pallets and lids. Moving on to the double-layer blister process, we create products with enhanced strength and protection. High-quality plastic sheets are carefully fed into the machine, where they are heated and shaped simultaneously. The machine creates a vacuum, sucking the plastic onto the molds, giving it the desired shape. Once the molding is complete, our skilled workers step in to trim any excess plastic and refine the edges. Their attention to detail ensures a polished and professional end product.